So hello guys, in this video we are going to solve this problem. So in this problem it is given that for any 3 cross 3 matrix M, let this denote the determinant of M, and let I be the 3 cross 3 identity matrix, and let E and F be two 3 cross 3 matrix such that this I minus EF matrix is invertible and G matrix is the inverse of this matrix. Then we have to tell which of the following options are true, and there are four options and this is multiple choice, and you have to tell which options are correct based on the given information. So let's see how we can solve this. So first of all, you see in the problem it is given that this G matrix is the inverse of this I minus EF matrix. So we can write the product of this G matrix and this I minus EF matrix, or we can also say like the I minus EF product G is same as identity matrix. So we know like if we have some matrix A and B is the inverse of this matrix, then we can write AB and BA product is same as the identity matrix. So we apply the same property here and we can write this statement. Now what you can do, you can multiply this inside. So we know G multiplied by identity matrix is same as G, and here we have GEF, and here you have I multiplied by G is same as G, and here we have EFG. So here the order is GEF and here the order is EFG, and this both things are equal to the identity matrix. Now let's see the first option. In the first option we have to tell the determinant of this matrix is same as the product of the determinant of this matrix and this matrix. So let's see how we can prove this, if this is true or not. So first of all I write that thing here. Now you see here we have the determinant of this matrix and here we have the determinant of this matrix. So we know determinant of A multiplied by B matrix is same as the determinant of A matrix multiplied by the determinant of B matrix. So we can write this product of the determinant in this way, like this is same as the determinant of I minus Fe multiplied by the FGE matrix determinant. So now what you can do, you can take this FGE inside. So I minus FGE product is same as the FGE, and here we have Fe and FGE. So the order is important. This Fg you can multiply to the Fe and it will come like Fe Fge. Now from the previous discussions we know like we can write this EFG is same as G minus I matrix. So here we have this EFG, so we can write this G minus I matrix, and now you can see that we have the terms of FGE and plus Fe. Now this FG, Fe cancel and the remaining thing is this Fe. So we prove that like the determinant of this thing is same as the determinant of Fe matrix, and first option is correct. Now let's move to the second option. The second option is we have to prove like this matrix product and this matrix product is equivalent to the identity matrix. So we have this matrix and product of them is equal to the identity matrix. We have to prove this. If this is true or not, we have to check. So first of all, what you can do, you can multiply this identity matrix to these two terms. So it will come like same as like I and minus Fe, and you can also multiply this Fg to this term and this term. So one term is this Fge and another term is this minus Fe Fge. Now you see again we have this EFG forming here, this EFG. So from the previous discussions we know this EFG is same as G minus I matrix. So we can again write this as G minus I. And if you open this, we have one terms of Fge and one term is Fe. So this and this will cancel and the this FE and FE is also cancel, and only the identity matrix will remain. So this option is also correct. So B option is also correct. In the C option, we have to check this EFG and GEF are same or not. So from here we know that this GEF is same as G minus I. If you look at this, and you can write this GEF as G minus I. And if you look at this, and you can write this EFG is same as G minus I matrix. So from here we can say that both are equal to the G minus I. So both are equal. So this option is also correct. Now the last option is this 1 minus FE, product 1 minus FGE is equal to this identity matrix or not. So if you see here, we have a product of this and this. So if you multiply I inside, so we have these two terms like I and minus FE. And if you multiply this FGE inside to these two terms, so you have minus FGE and plus FEFGE. We know we can write this EFG as G minus I. So from here you have two terms FGE and minus FE. So this will cancel, and this FE will not cancel, and it will come like I minus 2FE. So this is not equal to the identity matrix. So this option is wrong. So what are the correct options then? So the correct option is A, B and C. So in this way we can solve this. Hope you like the video. Then we will meet in the next.